guys, we're over here to our secret base, and we got treats, and another account, and we got my other account is Juriel Ashley Jago, and this account is Jermiel J166. Go down. See you on part 2. G, give me your... See you guys on part 2. So, first episode. Go. So, let's see how many candy I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See you on part 2. La, 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 la.